Here we are at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, and this is our embarkation day for our Disney cruise. It is Saturday and we are getting on the Disney Fantasy. Today we're going to be showing you what the first day on a Disney cruise is like, the embarkation day. So let's get going. We're just waiting to get our actual position in the cruise port. There's a little bit of a lineup because there's a lot of people arriving right now to get on Disney Fantasy. So we're just waiting for the security to give us the area where we can park in the drop-off. So right here you can see the porters are waiting for us to take our bags, and then they will be put on the ship. So when you get here, just drop your bags off with these nice guys, and don't forget to give them a tip because they do rely mostly on that. So this is where you're going to enter the terminal. If you're parking, you're going to be crossing that area, and this is where we go, but we already can check in. We are at 12 o'clock. Over here is gold or first-time cruisers or silver cruisers. This is the platinum, pearl, line, and concierge that we're in. So we are platinum. This is our 11th cruise, and we're just waiting to be seen by one of these nice ladies. So here we go. Hi.
Welcome. Hi.
Here's my open passwords.
Thank you so much. Okay. What is your room number?
This is the security area. I do have to shut this off because I do need to put it through the conveyor belt. Here is what I call the magical escalator, where you get to see and feel like you're on the Disney cruise for the first time, or at least on your way. When you pull up to the top and you see the beautiful construction, a little construction of a cruise ship, and usually Mickey is outside posing for pictures. We will see. So right now I feel like we can get on a ship directly. Yes. Oh, well, Mickey is not here right now. Thank you. Oh, hi. Yeah. Okay, so we're here pretty early, and they're boarding groups 1 to 32, so that means we are getting on the ship right now and don't have to wait. Here you see the small size Disney Fantasy, I believe that is, and usually you can find Mickey and Minnie there. And now we're getting on the ship, and you'll go through the Mickey ears there, and then you're going to have to scan your port arrival form or use your magic band. I'm just so excited, and I can't believe we're getting on so fast. Usually it takes much faster, but today they did say they were ahead of schedule, so they're literally taking everyone on the ship at this point. So right over there is where you can take a first picture. It has a cruise ship in the back. We don't usually stop for that. We've taken a lot of cruises, and I don't usually buy the photo package because A, I've been on so many cruises, and B, I feel like my phone can take just as good pictures as the actual photo package that you can buy. I'm honestly not a fan of the photo package. I don't think the photos are all that great, unless you want that kind of white background or fancy photos for your family. I usually just take our own photos or ask someone to take a photo of us. Here they are going to check you in to the actual ship. You have checked in downstairs, but here's just the last check. You're going to be marked as on the ship after this point. So now we are actually entering this little passageway to get on the Disney cruise. So, I do have another blog, The Go-To Family, that I've done a lot of Disney, and we travel around the world. So I guess we will introduce ourselves as the Go-To Family because Miss Iz would be kind of odd. Hi.
What's the family's last name?
The Go-To Family.
The Go-To? All right. Disney Fantasy. Please welcome aboard the Go-To Family.
We're here. Everywhere, who do we see? The first thing you see is Mickey Mouse. And this is my favorite part, the Atrium. It is so beautiful. We're going to go down to the Enchanted Garden and make sure we have a private table. If you need any services, you didn't get a reservation or something, you go right there. The first thing you do when you get on this cruise ship. These are the main elevators, the midship elevators. If you're going to have lunch first at the Cabanas Buffet, you go upstairs. So we are going downstairs to see if we do have our private table. Here we go. If you want to make sure you have your private table or any other requests when you're getting on the cruise ship, you come down here to the Enchanted Garden. It's always usually here. And you talk to one of these head servers. So we do indeed have our private table and the server we requested. If you do have a server, you've been on the cruise line before, you can request your favorite server and come down here and verify if you did indeed get your request fulfilled. So here we are at the top deck. We might stop and just go to the pool first. We brought our bathing suits, and it's not very busy right now, or we're going to go to the cabanas. I gotta check with the kids. Okay, so family decision was to go eat at Cabanas first. Now, if you do want to not eat at Cabanas, the quick service is on the complete opposite end. You can enjoy the pool right away. So you can see that is the funnel vision up there. This is the Mickey pool, and on the other side is Donald's pool. And this is Nemo's Reef. And you can see the other cruise ship actually across there. It's the Carnival Freedom. I much prefer, just to let you guys know, the Disney cruise. So we just finished at Cabanas, and now we're going to get some ice cream on the top deck, deck 11 on the other side directly from here, and then we're going to go and see our room. So you can just see some of the food here. Honestly, it's not as packed as it was. I'm assuming most people are trying to get in their room right now. It's about 1:30, so it was super packed before. It really emptied out fast. So they're playing movies over there on the tunnel vision. There's quite a lot of people by the pool. I suggest you wear your bathing suit or bring it with you and change in one of the bathrooms. We did not do that because the kids did not feel like going to the pool today. And right up there is the aqueduct. Now, if you look right behind all this stuff there, that is the adult zone. But we're not going there. We got the kids. We're getting ice cream. Oh no, they have someone serving the ice cream today. They probably want people to get in the hang of actually doing it. Believe me, it can get quite messy, especially when the little kids are coming and pouring their own ice cream. I'm going to get the vanilla ice cream. That is good. It's a Disney ice cream taste. You can really know you're on a cruise now. Oh, look, and it's who's it's and what's it's. This is like beachwear that you can get.
One of our bags is here.
Oh, our bags are here. It's great.
That's literally the...
Yeah, but it's the right bag.
Yeah, it's the right bags to decorate our room already. Hi. We're right. It's 9586. This is the fastest ever for bags. 2 of our bags.
I got more before we get to the room.
Robin, did you put that Disney cruise line around it?
Yeah. So this is your key to the world cards will be in here. But if you have the magic band, you can just use the magic band. Okay, so this is our room. We got a lot of stuff, decorations, because it is my birthday. We're celebrating. So this was part of the online purchases you could make. So it says celebrate today. That's really cute. They've updated it recently because it used to be different. So we have the family veranda, the one that you have an extended room, because this is a bed and it does come down. And you can see here, right now we're just kind of facing the port. And we did get a lot of snacks in our room from the online purchases. That's the fruit platter. We got a Moya and Chandon ice, some beer for throughout the holiday. The beer mug, which was actually sold out, but I bought it before everyone else, I guess. And these are some of the actual gifts you get if you are a Castaway Key member. And you have to have sailed at least once. And we've sailed 11 times. This is the platinum one lanyard, and this one is the gold. And because we're platinum members, we do get this actual towel, and we get this wet dry bag because we were gold, and we get this one because we are silver. We were silver members. So these are all of them. Besides the pearl one, we don't get that, which is 2 kind of corksicle cups. So this is the bed, the beautiful painting that I love waking up to every morning, with the Disney cruise passing by and the people watching. And we have the split bathroom with the round tub and the actual bathroom. We have unpacked, and now we have decorated door. I want to show you our door. It's pretty out there. We have sailed 11 cruises, so we have gathered a lot of stuff in all these cruises. So this is our door, and it is decorated to the max, as you can see. I'll step out a little, actually, so you can see it some more. So there you go. So we do pin trading, which you can see there. We also give away lollipops. And we also have this little question area. You can choose one character and another. People really like filling that out. And then we have like a little banner above. It doesn't have Miss Diz on it because it is the Go-To Family, which is originally my vlog, or vlog as a family. Here we are at the assembly station. We're at Assembly Station F, and we're just waiting for everyone to show up. There are some stragglers, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You have to come here at 4 o'clock on embarkation day, and it's about a 10 to 20 minute kind of process depending on how slow people are in getting here. It's pretty straightforward though, and please don't be late because it kind of sucks for the people that are waiting and sitting here. So here you can see all the people waiting. There are the cast members dressed in their actual gear here, the life jackets and stuff. And this is the Buena Vista Theater, so the lower down is F, and above is another number.
Station F, do I have my friends that are traveling in the state number 9562 here? Yes.
So see, now they're calling out to make sure that everyone is here because they might have missed some people. So see, they're verifying everyone is here. I do suggest you get here at a decent time, or you will be standing, and I've done that before, and this theater gets quite hot, and it's not fun to stand with kids.
To all guests, you are now at your correct assembly station. In the unlikely event of an actual emergency, you will hear the general alarm, which is 7 short blasts, followed by 1 long blast of the ship's whistle, accompanied by the sounding of the alarms.
So the safety drill is done, and we've come back to our room, and we just started actually sailing away from Port Canaveral. The Sailway Party is happening right now, but this is our 11th cruise, and I have cruised a few times, so we don't really go to the Sailway Party anymore. The kids have went to the Youth Open House Center at Edge. My younger ones don't usually get the opportunity to go there with their older sister, so they have come there now to have some time together, and me and my mom are downstairs, and we're just gonna relax out here on our deck. But I will run some footage of the Sailway Party because we have done it and I have taken footage, so here it is right now.
Let's sail away! Let's go! We could never forget about you, Donald.
Don't forget about us either.
It's Goofy and Pluto!
What it does? Oh, and last but certainly.
I totally feel on vacation. Vacation has started. This Disney cruise has started, and I'm so excited. I'm in my sundress and just watching as we pass on by. That's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our embarkation day. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Dish channel so you stay up to date with all my latest news from Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line.